Manuel Rubio here with Miracle Body and Paint. So now your car moves to the body technician. They're the individuals that disassemble the vehicle and work with the service writer to try to identify all damaged parts and all repairable parts. So they start the actual repair process. After it's approved by the insurance company, they start the repair process, and the parts department is now involved, and they're now a part of the repair process. They start ordering the parts that are required that are not reusable, and they start locating them, hopefully locally. There is some insurance company that choose out of the city, sometimes even out of the state. That's not helpful to the consumer, right? When parts are available within your city, that's going to increase the cycle time. You'll be able to get your car back faster, and makes it less stressful for the parts department to get your proper parts for your car. But they're a big part of the repair process. They work together, so now you have three departments working unifiedly: the technician department, the repair department, the parts department, and the service department. And after that, it goes to the next phase, which is the paint department. Stay tuned for the next session, and we'll go into that department as well.